Jai Sriman Like that he felt so happy, and then along with Shatrughna they got into chariot. By then Vasishtha Maharshi, Vamadeva, Jabali and all those ministers, they already started from there. All of them have done a parikrama to Mandakini river, because in the same river Sita Ramachandra Swami has done his snanam. Because of their touch, Mandakini got so much sanctified, purified. With that kind of thought, all these people have done pradakshina to Mandakini river. And from there, Bharadvaja Maharshi ashram is very nearby Chitrakutam. So that is why Bharata has gone to again Bharadvaja Maharshi ashramam. He got down from his chariot, went inside ashramam and did darshanam of Bharadvaja Maharshi and did namaskaram padau vavande. Then Bharadvaja Maharshi, with so much happiness to see Bharata, he is asking Bharata, how did everything went? Did whatever that you were wishing to do, did everything came true? Is Rama coming along with you? Like that Bharadvaja Maharshi asked Bharata. Then Bharata is saying that, oh Maharshi, my brother Rama said, Pituhu pratignyam tameva palayishyami. Bharata, I have to follow whatever orders given by our father Dasaratha Maharaju. That is why I shall do my 14 years vanavasam and then come. This is how Rama said to me. Then, oh Maharshi, after Rama said like this, our Brahmarshi Vasishtha Maharshi has taken Bangaru Padukas, golden Padukas, and kept right in front of Rama. And then Brahmarshi said to Rama that, oh Rama, give this Padukas to us. You wear this Paduka and give those Padukas to us. These are the Padukas which are going to give Yoga Kshema Kare. This is the one gives Yogamu Kshemamu to Ayodhya. Yogamu getting all kind of riches. Kshemamu using all kind of riches in a very, very useful way. Spending all the riches in a very proper way. This is how Yoga Kshemam will be done to Ayodhya by these Padukas. When Brahmarshi Vasishtha Maharshi said like that to Rama, then Raghavaha Prangmukhaha Sthitaha. Sri Ramachandra Swami, while turning towards east, he wore those Padukas and then gave those golden Padukas to us. O Bharadvaja Maharshi, after that I have taken those Padukas, Gruhitva Paduke Subhe, such a pure and sanctified Padukas I have taken, and now Ayodhya meva gacchami. Now I am returning to Ayodhya. After hearing all this, Bharadvaja Maharshi felt so happy to see Bharata following Rama's words. He said that, oh Bharata, I am very happy because you are following as and how Rama said to you. Now, definitely Dasaratha Maharaju is very much blessed to have you as his son. Though Dasaratha Maharaju is not here in the body, but definitely he is enjoying Amrutatvam because of you. You know why? You have now taken a decision to show the power behind Ramapadukas to the entire universe. such great thing you are going to be doing, Bharata. Bharadwaja Maharshi said to Bharata like this. Then Bharata did repeatedly namaskarams to Bharadwaja Maharshi while meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.